We're just not a construction company because there's a whole lot of people that can build it. But it's how we actually go out and build. Our company, our company's reflective of the Chicago community, and when we do our projects, it's reflective of the Chicago community. Oh, we family. I don't know an atmosphere in the city of Chicago that's like a UJAMAA Construction. Just don't know it.
Because it is very important that we use those tools to continue to grow our base, the base of women in construction, period. Because if you look around the room, there ain't a whole bunch of guys, right? And when Jimmy and I worked for this other contractor, there was nothing but a bunch of old guys, and they all went to the same school, so there was no diversity. So this vision of his and the diversity that we've achieved, I have nothing but the love to say for you, brother. I appreciate you.
We want to establish the Ron Lewis Award, and it's an annual award at UJAMAA Construction moving forward that we want to ask somebody to recommend.
And I am forever grateful. I wouldn't be where I am today without being. This was the right place for me at the right time. That's just the bottom line. It worked out extremely well. Everyone in this room, all the friendships, it's just wonderful. I love each and every one of you. You've all been very kind. You all have our DNA. It makes it very easy in difficult situations when we're all pulling together and we have each other's back.
And I know we can't fix everything, but we can do what we can in our own self that allows you to sleep at night and make you feel good about yourself, knowing that you've done what you were supposed to do. And I think as I thought about it, that's sort of what we're supposed to do in construction. At least that's what I wanted to think that we're doing in construction. The UJAMAA way that Marcus and Justin talked about. These are very impactful projects within our community that serve a social need in the community that we're in. And we're using folks from the community, folks that look like us, and people that share the value that we have, right, in terms of trying to do what you can. Try and give back to the community. Are we going to make ourselves available to the kids in the future of Chicago? We love the city. That's why we're here, right? So what are we going to do in terms of how we're going to give back to a community that we're taken from and has given us so much more? And I'd like to believe that's what UJAMAA is. It's the avenue in construction to give hope